Trust is good, control is better. When it comes to testing foodstuffs, we certainly presume that the controls are rigorous and reliable. The more numerous the tests, the greater the impression of confidence. Each year, there are no less than 400,000 samples examined by official food inspection bodies. This is a central theme at the Analytica in Munich, the trade event driving innovation, showing the latest technologies and processes. At the market, we're buying oranges and unpasteurized cheese in order to show how the testing functions. We'll also take a sample of drinking water. This kind of check takes place regularly on premises open to the public. The laboratory mover in Kempten helps foodstuff producers to fulfill their obligations in respect of self-monitoring. We go into the firm and offer not only consultancy with regard to product hygiene, but also the technology deployed. In this way, we are able to support the company in its efforts to maintain and improve hygiene standards.
Hygiene-Sicherheitsstandards auch einzuhalten und zu verbessern.
Microbiological analysis of drinking water is systematically conducted for the Legionella pathogen, and unpasteurized cheese is examined regularly for Listeria. Legionella pathogens in drinking water can lead to lung infection and to the so-called Legionnaire's disease. Listeria can cause vomiting and diarrhea. In extreme cases, it can lead to meningitis. Conscientious preparation of the samples is called for so that the exact values can be determined. Microbiological procedures include enrichment and incubation steps so that the bacteria grow. Then we can examine the bacteria, making them visible on slides in a way which would otherwise not be possible. We have to nurture the bacteria to create colonies on the host medium large enough so that we can then count them. The examination can involve many different steps and can take several days to complete. 10 days for Legionella. The reference procedure for Listeria, according to the ISO standard, needs 5 days in the case of a negative outcome. The chemical analysis high-performance liquid chromatography, HPLC for short, is used to determine the lactose content of milk products. This is what allows the claim that a product is lactose-free to be verified. Analysis for the presence of pesticides and biocides in fruits mostly relies on the use of gas chromatography. The methodology allows us to see whether our bio-orange is contaminated. This examination takes around 2 days. The scrutiny will determine if prescribed limits have been respected, and increasingly there is the search for indications that illegal fertilizers have been used. The enhanced awareness of ecological and health issues in relation to foodstuffs constitutes a major challenge, and in this regard, the Analytica can be a big help.
The Analytica
is an event I simply cannot miss, because it is vital to keep up to date with developments. There is always the need to invest in automation in order to handle procedures rationally and efficiently. The Analytica is the ideal platform permitting the examination of new technologies, the making of new contacts, and the integration of it all into one's own analysis processes. From the 1st through the 4th of April, over 1,100 exhibitors from all over the world will be showing innovative products and system solutions for laboratory technology, analysis, and biotechnology, so that we can continue to enjoy without fear.